Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an eggplant with egg. First, choose a fresh, firm eggplant, ideally medium-sized, with smooth, shiny skin. Wash it well and trim the stem and bottom. Then, slice the eggplant into even rounds about 1/2 inch thick. Uniform slices ensure even cooking, which is key for a delicious result. This initial preparation sets the stage for a fantastic dish. After slicing, it's crucial to salt your eggplant. Lay the slices on paper towels and sprinkle a generous amount of salt on both sides. This process draws out excess moisture and bitterness, preventing a soggy final dish. Let them sit for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. You'll see beads of moisture form. Finally, pat each slice completely dry with fresh paper towels before moving on. Now let's prepare the coating for your eggplant. In a shallow bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs with about 2 tablespoons of milk or water and season with salt and pepper. In 2 separate shallow dishes, place all-purpose flour and seasoned breadcrumbs. First, dredge each eggplant slice in the flour, shaking off any excess. Then, dip it into the egg wash, and finally, coat it thoroughly in the breadcrumbs, pressing gently. With your eggplant coated, it's time to cook. Heat about 1/2 inch of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the breaded eggplant slices in the pan, ensuring not to overcrowd it. Fry them for approximately 3 to 4 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and tender. Drain on a wire rack and serve your delicious eggplant with egg immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.